Okay, try to work this out for me if you can. Say the distance between the moon and the Earth is given by this in kilometers. Okay. Now the speed of light. We normally use c for the speed of light. Light. You know the famous formula E equals mc squared. Well, c is the speed of light. Okay. So it's this number here. Okay. Well, anyway, so the speed of light is given by this. The distance between Earth and the Moon is given by this. Now, if I were to zap an ant on the Moon from Earth, so I'm going to fire a laser and zap that ant on the Moon. How long will it take for the laser for the light to travel from here to the Moon? Okay. Because this is in meters per second, you've got to work. Yeah, you've got to turn this into meters, into meters in order for it to make sense. Because you can't work in one in kilometer and another in meters. So you've got to convert this number into meters. But the good thing about standard form is that you can do that easily. So at the moment you've got this block times this block here, and now you want, well, how many meters are there in 1 kilometer? So hang on. So basically there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Hang on. I'm explaining this badly. Bear with me. So hang on. So at the moment you've got this here. Okay. So you can visualize this as this as 3.8. Okay. And then times 10 to the power 5. So basically this number here is given by these two blocks multiplying together. Okay. Now, if you want to convert this into meters, then just get this number, whatever this number is, times 1,000. That's all you need to do because there are 1,000. Well, if I say to you there are 2 kilometers, so how many meters would that be? Well, you just get the number 2 and times 1,000. Well, this is whatever number this could be. It could be 2, 3, or it could be 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5. Well, anyway, this number here is given by these two blocks. Now we want to times it by 1,000. We want to times it by 1,000 here. Okay. Now turn this into power. Hang on, into 10 to the power of 3. Okay. So here you've got 10 to the power of 5. Okay. And then here you've got 3.84. Okay. I made a mistake there. Sorry. So here merge these two together. So this would be 10 times, 10 to the power of 8, and then this will be 3.84. Okay. So to convert into meters, it would be 3.84 times 10 to the power of 8. Okay. So hang on. So going back to this here, to convert this into meters, it would be 3.84 times 10 to the power of, well, to the power of 8, because I would start off here and then I would need to times another times 10 to the power of 3. Okay. Basically I would merge this with this, so that gives me this, and then so the distance between Earth and the Moon is given by this. Okay. This is just a first step into solving how long it takes for the laser to reach the ant. Okay. So find out how long it takes for my laser to zap the ant on the Moon. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. To do this, well, if the speed of light, let's just say, well, basically it's distance here. You have to get you have to get the distance here. Okay. And then divide it by the speed of light, because let's just imagine that in 1 second the speed of, well, if you look at the speed, let's say the speed, let's say we do it, let's just say we travel this distance in 1 second. 2 seconds it would be here. Okay. 3 seconds it would be somewhere over here. Well, if we want to know the time it takes for the laser to hit the ant, well, to get the whole distance here and then divide it by this length, well, this well, divided by the speed here, and then here in this case it would give us 2 point something. Well, anyway, if you want to know the time it takes for the laser to travel from Earth to the moon, then get the distance and divide it by this speed here. So it really boils down to getting the distance, which is this here, hang on, 3.84 times 10 to the power of 8, divided by the speed here. So that would be, hang on, that would be 3.0, just 3, okay, 3 times 10 to the power of also 8, to the power of 8. Okay, so this will give us the time in seconds. Okay, now let's split this fraction up into this 3.84 over 3 times 10 to the power of 8 over 10 to the power of 8. Okay, well, this bit here we can do inside our sleep. Well, this number divided by this number, they're exactly the same, so it would be times 1. Okay, so it would be this, hang on. So it would be this times 1. Well, that times 1 well, we can forget about the 1 in that case. So it just boils down to this. Okay, and remember the answer is in seconds. So this is the time it takes for the laser to get from Earth to the moon. So jump to a calculator and get 3.84 divided by 3, and then that will give us the answer in seconds. Okay, so it will be 1.28 seconds. So if you were to fire a laser from Earth to zap something on the moon, it would just take 1.28 seconds to get there. Okay.